Large video files taking up too much space. Struggling to upload, share, or save your large videos? Don't worry, with the all-new compressor in VideoProc Converter AI, you can easily compress your videos to any size you need. Drag a slider, or directly enter the ideal size to compress. Batch compress multiple videos all in one go, and still can fine-tune any single file. The maximum quality engine and advanced codecs keep every pixel sharp. They are all here. So in this video, let's see how to compress videos via VideoProc Converter AI. Let's start by compressing multiple videos with a simple slider drag. Open VideoProc Converter AI, click on Compressor. Drag and drop your videos. You'll see the original size and an estimated output size for each video. Drag this slider to pick your target ratio. For example, move it to 80%, and you get 80% of the original file size. The estimated size updates in real time for all videos. If you don't need the original resolution, just lower it to reduce the size. You can still use the slider to adjust the final size. The default settings work great for most files, so let's keep them. Now just click Run to export your videos. You can set individual compression options for any file without affecting the others. Just click the gear icon next to the file. You can then enter your target size directly, like 25 megabytes for Gmail. Or adjust the compression ratio by dragging the slider between 10% and 100%. Downscale the resolution to shrink the file even further. Drag the trim handles to cut out unwanted parts and reduce the file size. Keep the default encoding settings or tweak them as needed. Here are 6 more ways to compress your video while keeping the quality you want. Switch to a more efficient codec like HEVC or AV1. Increase the JOP length for scenes with little change. Lower the frame rate of static videos. Lower the bitrate. Downscale the resolution, for example, from 4K to 1080p. Adjust the audio or remove it completely if it's not needed. Now let's take a closer look at the encoding parameters. You can apply the same settings to all videos at once or adjust them individually for each video. The controls and how you use them are the same. If you care a lot about quality, the first thing to look at is the codec. The default H.264 is the most compatible codec and works everywhere. HEVC is another solid choice. It gives you excellent image quality with much smaller files. VideoProc also supports AV1, which delivers the best quality at the same size, but it's not yet widely compatible. Just ensure your target device or platform supports it. As for formats, MP4 is the safest choice overall. For keeping multiple audio tracks, go with MKV. On Mac, MOV works well. VideoProc Converter is the ultimate tool to compress video files with ease. Get it and try it now. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more video conversion, compression, and enhancement tips.